Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to teach you how to quickly and easily turn your low quality photos into vectors so that they have the quality you want. So stay with me until the end of this video because I want to tell you some tips at the end of the video that will make you get a better result from your work. Don't forget to support us and make more tutorial and creative videos. Be sure to subscribe our channel and like the videos and write your opinion about the videos in the comments section. Also turn on the notification to be aware from my latest videos. So let's get started. As you can see, the file I prepared for you is not of interesting quality and its pixels are quite clear. To vectorize this file, we must first select the image trace tool from the window menu and select our own photo to activate the tool for us. If you look at the preset menu, you will see it has different options. In previous videos we used the sketched art option and turned a drawing into a vector. That video link is at the top right of the video and inside the description and you can see it. But for what we want to do today, the first 5 options are more appropriate. Selecting the options written in colors 3, colors 6 and colors 16 depends on the number of colors available in your design, and the 2 options above are options that work well and you can use them. Well, my design has 6 colors. For this reason, I use the 6 color option first. Now you can see that our photo has become a vector. But let's try other options together to see which one works best for us. I think the second option works better for my design. Here, to improve the result, you can use the advanced section options to achieve your desired result. Well, now that you have reached your desired design, you can select the expand option to separate all the components of the design. And you can easily make small changes with its Illustrator tools that will make our work even better, such as smoothing out rounded lines. But a few points you need to know about this technique are: 1. First of all, try to use photos that have less color and do not use very crowded images because they may have not good results. 2. The next point is to be sure to take a short time to improve your image and make small changes with its Illustrator tools. 3. And as the last and most important point, for better results, try to use the options in the advanced section. Well, my friends, I hope this tutorial is useful for you and you can use it well in your graphic works.